Welcome to Think Future Academy channel. Today our topic is procurement reports. In this video we will understand about the procurement reports, their importance and benefits. The content covered in this video is Section 1, Introduction of Procurement Reports. Section 2, Importance of Procurement Reports. Section 3, Benefits of Procurement Reports. Section 4, Procurement Reporting Steps. And Section 5, Challenges in Procurement Reporting. Let's start with Section 1, Introduction of Procurement Reports. Understanding the different forms of procurement reports is critical for effective procurement management. These reports function as navigational tools, providing insights into many aspects of the procurement processes. Procurement report shows how a business's procurement activities deliver value for money and contribute to realizing broader goals and objectives. They provide a panoramic snapshot of supplier performance and the purchasing process of different products and services. By tracking the right procurement KPI, a company gains the power to enhance its strategy by preventing minor inefficiencies from becoming significant issues and providing a clear insight into the practices or supplier relationships that work, as well as those that don't. Throughout the years, these reports have been created and managed through traditional means of data management such as spreadsheets or static presentations, but companies need to hurl these Stone Age practices and start utilizing modern online reporting software that will transform your results and, ultimately, increase profits. Section 2, Importance of Procurement Reports. In an age when digital data offers a wealth of boosting insight, businesses cannot afford to shoot in the dark regarding their business strategies. An International Data Corporation, IDC, study shows that over 80% of business leaders surveyed from sales, HR, procurement, and other departments agreed that issues arise because companies have different internal systems and applications that don't talk to one another. 43% of the staff surveyed said they often have to copy and paste information, wasting time and hindering productivity. Common sourcing reports that drill down to significant areas of the procurement process have the power to help organization to make the kind of improvement that can make or break your business in today's cutthroat digital climate. Data reporting is the crystal ball that offers a glimpse into the past, present, and future of a company's activities, helping it move forward in the best and most sustainable way possible. Now we will see importance of procurement reports in more detail. Number 1. Improve the accuracy of the financial forecasting. Number 2. Minimize errors throughout the supply chain. Number 3. Increase the efficiency of crucial KPIs. Number 4. Understand which relationships are working. Number 5. Take accurate measurements. Number 6. Reduce and avoid unnecessary costs. Number 7. Improve responsiveness and decision-making under pressure. Number 8. Gain 24/7 access to essential insights. Section 3, Benefits of Procurement Reports. Before going into individual procurement reports, learn about their benefits. They assist firms in making informed decisions, saving money, and developing strong relationships with external stakeholders, suppliers/vendors. The benefits are as follows. Enhanced decision-making. Cost savings. Improved supplier relationships. Risk mitigation. Transparency and compliance, and many more. Now we will discuss each element in brief. Number 1. Enhanced decision-making. Procurement reports play a pivotal role in enhancing decision-making within an organization. By providing comprehensive insights into procurement activities, these reports empower decision-makers to make informed and strategic choices. Access to data on supplier performance, market trends, and cost analyses enables leaders to optimize procurement strategies for improved efficiency and effectiveness. Number 2. Cost savings. One of the primary benefits of procurement reports is their ability to contribute to cost savings. Through detailed analysis of procurement processes, expenditures, and supplier negotiations, organizations can identify opportunities for cost reduction. This may involve negotiating better terms with suppliers, consolidating purchasing volumes, or identifying more cost-effective alternatives, ultimately leading to significant savings. Number 3. Improved supplier relationships. Procurement reports enable organizations to evaluate and manage relationships with suppliers more effectively. By assessing supplier performance metrics, such as on-time delivery, quality, and responsiveness, companies can identify high-performing partners and address issues with underperforming ones. This fosters stronger collaborations, encourages accountability, and ensures a more reliable and resilient supply chain. Number 4. Risk mitigation. Understanding and managing risks is crucial in procurement, and procurement reports serve as valuable tools in this regard. These reports can highlight potential risks related to vendor stability, geopolitical factors, market fluctuations, and other variables. Equipped with this information, organizations can implement risk reduction strategies, such as developing alternate vendors or implementing contingency plans, to prevent upcoming challenges. And number 5. Transparency and compliance. Procurement reports contribute to organizational transparency by providing a clear summary of procurement activities. This clarity is vital for assessing compliance with internal policies, industry regulations, and ethical standards. Stakeholders, including internal teams and external auditors, can use these reports to assess if the guidelines are being followed, encouraging a culture of accountability and integrity. These reports are vital to optimize the overall efficiency and effectiveness of an organization's supply chain function. Section 4. Procurement Reporting Steps. Ensuring you properly use your hard-earned money is crucial to success in today's business environment. That's why regular analysis of your processes and utilizing various types of procurement reports will ensure you're making the best use of your resources. Let's look at the most useful tips to conduct your analytics process and stay profitable in the long run. Procurement Reporting Steps. Number 1. Define your goals and needs. Number 2. Integrate all your procurement processes. Number 3. Identify and gather all your data sources. Number 4. Clean your data. Number 5. Use real-time insights. Number 6. Group your suppliers. Number 7. Manage your spending data. Number 8. Use predictive analytics and automation. Number 9. Make your reports interactive. And number 10. Analyze your findings. Section 5. Challenges in procurement reporting. Even though data-driven decision-making is a solid part of today's modern business landscape, the analytics and reporting process still comes with various challenges that can lead organizations to make avoidable mistakes. This is no different in procurement, where the department needs to efficiently manage the data they generate daily to extract the maximum potential out of it. There are 3 main areas: people, technology and processes, need to be connected and efficiently managed to ensure the large amounts of information gathered can be used well and no monetary or time resources are lost. To mitigate the potential consequences of these challenges and mistakes, below, we will discuss the most common ones and provide some insight into how to tackle them effectively. 1. Security and privacy. 2. Data quality. 3. Lack of transparency between departments. 4. Leveraging tools in the correct way, and many other can be. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.